School is back in session. Your car has homework too. At Conicelli Nissan, our September service specials keep your ride safe and ready for the busy season ahead. Keep your engine running smoothly and your tires wearing evenly with our back-to-school oil and tire combo. Perfect for those early morning drop-offs and after-school activities. Heading into fall means unpredictable weather. Make sure your family gets to practices, games, and school events safely with new tires. Buy 3 and get 1 for just $1. Stop and Power, school supply essential. Save $25 on front or rear brake service, and make sure you can stop quickly in those busy school zones. Parents, we know your schedule is packed. Take advantage of our Express Service Happy Hour, 10% off Express service, weekdays from 1 to 4 p.m. Quick and easy and done right before the final bell rings. Start your school year with confidence. Schedule your service today online at conicelliservice.com or call us at 888-289-5948. Conicelli Nissan Service Center, a nice place to do business.